Sup fuckers, world's okayest trader, March 12th. This will be a quick video and we'll get to some news and stuff at the end. But CPI news in here as well. CPI or some inflation, I don't know what it was, doesn't matter. It was news, it was high impact. And it always seems to distort the price action. So we've got this huge spike up, break in a new extreme, sort of spike and channel working. Again, all the price action is there, except don't trade in volatility. We get that new high, and then we get this channel working down. I'm looking at this point with this push down, probably possibly a measured move. So we've got this arrow for one, and then this arrow working down here. With this big push, so we're looking for a new extreme on this channel down, but this strong push above the EMA, now we're looking for a lower high to confirm that. We just don't actually get it because we don't end up pushing below the EMA. Then we go into this little range. Then we get its new high. Now, if I had been paying attention, this lower high might have been not bad. Well, it's a new high. Yeah, where's the low? Yeah, it's a lower high. But might have been okay. But again, if you were in the bottom of this range, it was really tough to take. Doji above the EMA into the bottom of the range. I think that's why I skipped it. We'd end up getting the measured move, and then we get a break of this channel and a new extreme, and there's nothing in any of this because everything's so far away from the EMA. There's nothing to take. Then we start getting this channel up, and this channel here, I didn't have that one in place until sort of up here. But I had this one. We got the break. This second entry long, so new high, first entry. Second entry, it's really far above the EMA. Never touched the EMA. The short-term trend is working. So that's why I skipped that. I could have easily come back. We do get the break in new extreme. And then, so there's the high, first entry, second entry, but that wasn't a great, we just got the break in new extreme. I drew the range when we got these bars. And then I ended up having somebody in my office and I got distracted and I tried getting a deep limit on both of these because I had missed it. Like it had pushed up and came back and pushed up, and I was hoping to get a deep limit because it had already made the scalp by the time I was entering. But I missed both that and the higher low. So this triple test, higher low would have been a great one there. Then we have this spike in channel. Like there's a lot of stuff in here. We're trying to find the right channel. Whether there was an overshoot. Maybe the overshoot was over. Oh, that was the overshoot over there. Yeah, so we have this channel, bounces off the top. I'm looking for a break of this channel. We've gotten to a high, so we're working our way down. We have a break. So there's the low, first entry break, second entry short. So overall, I thought that was a pretty good one. It was scaring me off as this pushed through the EMA, but it finished lower than that one right there. And then this strongly pushed back. So that's why I entered that one. Then we started ranging, but then we had this bearish imbalance in the range. Then we pushed down. And there's really nothing in here that you can take safely, in my opinion. Even in hindsight, yeah, I see these moves, but what do you take, right? There's the new high, first entry, but it's a double top, so you reset the count, and then it flushes. Maybe you take this as a triple test long, as a breakout to maybe this range, or is this range really tough? Then it gets like a couple of attempts at a new high, and I think at this point we're thinking it's going to start to roll over. But again, I guess maybe a second entry short, but that's a bullish bar, so pass. Start working down. Maybe this is a break. Maybe this is an overshoot. Overshoots generally lead to larger corrections, which is what we ended up getting before it attempted a new low, and it never actually got it. So we're looking for longs, I think, at this point. Then we get this strong push up. Still looking for another measured move for this guy because we get this strong push up. Looking for something in target in that range, but really there's nothing in here that doji wicks, nothing really to enter. And we just get higher highs and higher lows. Nothing's pulling back to the EMA. May have gotten an overshoot, on this channel, so we're expecting that. And again, nothing really there to pick. Another new high, go into a range, and maybe a breakout pullback. But again, this has gone up like all day, so fading that isn't necessarily the best bet. So anyway, I would say 1-0 on the trades and 1-1 on the mental, because I missed that trade there. So overall, it was okay. But I do need to take a break for a couple of days. I am not fully recovering. My brain's not there. I'm missing what I think is some easy setups, and I got a lot of stuff outside of trading going on. So I'm going to take a break for a couple of days. What I will try to do, though, is put some psychology videos together, or tips or recaps of books or something, just to keep active. I like working on the mental side as well, which is why I sort of rate myself on my mental game. So we're going to do that. And so World's Okayest Trader is out.